Hello students, we now move on to the next point, that is exploitation of Indians by the British. For your better understanding, a video was sent to you. Hope you have watched it. By this time, the British power was very well set up in India. Their next step was to become rich. They started doing injustice with the Indians in different ways to get more and more wealth. They started this by troubling the farmers. Whether the farmers were able to get good crops or not, they had to pay heavy taxes to the British rulers. The farmers were forced to pay the taxes even if they were not able to get a good harvest, even if they were not in a condition to pay. As a result, the farmers became very poor. The weavers used to buy cotton from the farmers and weave cloth. The British forced these weavers to sell their cloth at a very low price to the British. As a result, the weavers too became very poor. This is how the British disturbed the Indian cotton industry. Britain could not grow cotton because of their cold climate, but they had big cotton textile mills which required cotton as the raw material to make cloth. So the British started buying all the cotton from the Indian farmers by paying them very less and sending all the cotton to Britain. In return, cotton cloth was sent back and sold in India at high prices. The weavers became jobless. The British did not allow Indians to start their own mills or factories. This injustice made the Indians very unhappy, and a feeling to fight back grew in them, which is known as revolt. The last point in this lesson is revolt against the British. If you have watched the videos sent to you, it will be very easy for you to understand this explanation. People in different parts of India were not ready to follow the unjust rules set up by the British. According to the historians, the revolt of 1857 has a very important place in Indian history. The revolt or fight back was started by the Indian soldiers working in the British Army. Here, we need to understand something about Enfield rifle and a cartridge, the way it is used. A rumor, which means a false news, was spread about the cartridge. It said that the fat of cows and pigs was used in the cartridges introduced by the British. The covering of these cartridges had to be bitten off by the teeth before filling it into the rifle, which means the Hindu and Muslim soldiers would have to put these cartridges greased with the fats of animals into their mouths. This was totally against the religions of the Hindus as well as the Muslims. So, the Indian soldiers refused to use these rifles, which resulted into a revolt. This revolt of 1857, which started at Meerut, soon spread to the northern and central parts of India. The farmers, the weavers, the craftspersons, and other sections of people also joined the soldiers in the revolt. Together they marched to Delhi and made Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, as their king. Indian rulers like Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, Nana Sahib, and Kunwar Singh also joined the group. This revolt continued for 2 years. It was a failure because of the following reasons. The Indians did not have proper planning and leadership. The British had better trained soldiers and used superior quality weapons, and some Indian rulers supported and helped the British. Bahadur Shah Zafar, whom they had made the king, was arrested and kept all alone in a jail at Burma, now known as Myanmar. He died in the jail. His 2 sons were killed in front of him. This is how the Mughal rule came to an end. The revolt of the Indians against the British was very important in the Indian history because of the strong refusal to obey the new rules brought an end to the East India Company, and India came under the direct control of the British Queen. After the revolt was over, all the Indians realized their mistake. The mistake was that they were not united from the beginning. Now they understood that if the entire country had been united at the right time, they would not have to suffer all the injustice done by the British. Thank you and God bless you.